Hello students, welcome to maths class. So today in this class we are going to learn multiplication and division of integers. First let us know what are integers. As you all know what is natural number? The collection of numbers starting from 1, 2, 3 and so on. What are whole numbers? The collection of numbers starting from 0, then it includes 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then what are integers? Integers are collection of numbers which includes 0 and positive number as well as negative number. So integers includes positive number as well as negative number along with 0. So if there is no sign means the number is positive. Okay. So addition and subtraction of integers. First, you know how to add and subtract the normal numbers. See, for example, 5 plus 7 equals to 12. So, you know this how to add. 9 minus 5 equals to 4. Now, we will see how to add and subtract the integers. Integers, as I have told you, integers means the numbers. Integers includes positive as well as negative numbers along with 0. Okay, so see, now for doing the addition and subtraction of integers you should know certain things. See, plus 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 into plus will become plus, minus into minus will become plus, means, and plus into minus will become plus into minus will become minus, and minus into plus will become minus. Means what? In short, if there are two same sign will be plus. See, plus into plus, plus. Two same sign. See, minus into minus, same sign is there. Two same sign, then it sums up to plus. If there is two different signs, see, plus into minus, two different sign, then it sums up to minus. See, minus into plus, two different sign, it sums up to minus. Means same sign will have plus and minus sign will have and different sign will have minus. So how to solve this? See, plus 8. Now in this you have to know what operation to be performed, that you will know by looking at the signs given. So but here there are so many signs are there. See, plus, minus and again plus. So what operation need to be performed? For example, here 5 plus 7, you know that plus is given, means only one plus is given, means you have to do operation of plus. Addition of operation of addition means you are doing addition here. And like that, here minus sign is given, only one sign is there. So you know that these two numbers need to be subtracted. Operation done is what? Subtraction. Now for here, see, for this example, as you can see, plus, minus and again plus. Then whether we have to add or we have to subtract these two numbers, how we will know that? See, plus, how you will know that? By keeping this in mind. So see, minus into plus is what? Minus into plus becomes what? Minus into plus. Minus into plus is minus. So this two sign will now becomes, how we will write this? See, plus 8 is there, then minus plus becomes minus, minus plus becomes minus. Then what? Again, plus into minus. Plus into minus is what? Minus. Means the operation to be performed here is what? Minus. Plus into minus is minus. So 8 minus 3 is what? 5. And the sign depends on the bigger number. From both of this, which is the bigger number? 8. And 8 has plus sign. So we are giving plus. In this manner only we will do. See, now this minus 7 plus minus 2. What it comes? Minus 7 plus minus 2. So how to do? See, minus 7, this I have written like this only. Then plus into minus is what? Plus into minus. See, plus into minus becomes minus. So plus into minus turns out to be minus. Then what? Minus into minus. Minus into minus is what? Plus. Means these two numbers we have to do addition. Minus into minus is plus. The operation depends on the signs. These signs we have to multiply. These signs, this addition, plus, minus, minus, the signs you can see, this final operation to be performed, that depends on what? Multiplications of the sign. So means what? See, plus into minus, I got minus here. Then minus into minus is what? Plus. So means these two numbers need to be added. So 7 plus 2 is how much? 9. But why I have given minus sign here? Because from this the bigger number is 7 and 7 has what? Minus sign. So okay, this is little bit confusing, so you have to, with practice only you can do this. See, plus 8 I am writing like this only. Which operation to be performed here? See what is given. Plus 8 minus 3. Now here I have to do addition or subtraction. That depends on this multiplication of these three signs. 1, 2, 3. These three signs we need to multiply. Multiplication of the signs, not the number. Remember that. So minus into minus. Minus into minus is what? Plus. So minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus plus. So now 3 has what? Plus sign. And 8 plus 3, 8 plus, and here also plus. So plus into plus is what? Again plus. Means these two numbers need to be added. Plus into plus is plus. So these two numbers need to be added. So 8 plus 3 is how much? 11. And why plus sign is given? Because among this both this number, the 8 is bigger number and 8 has what? Plus sign in front of it. So plus. Got it? Now see. Plus 10 plus minus 5. Now what we have to do? Addition or subtraction? That depends on what? Multiplication of these three signs. So plus 10 I am writing it like that only. Then what? Plus into minus. Plus into minus is what? See, plus into minus is equals to minus. So plus into minus is minus, then 5. Then plus into minus again. Plus into minus is what? Minus. Means these two numbers need to be these two numbers need to be subtracted. Plus into minus is what? Minus. These two numbers will get subtracted. So my answer is 5. 10 minus 5, these two numbers are subtracted now. So 10 subtracted by 5 is how much? 5. Then why plus sign is given? Because among these two numbers, 10 is the bigger one and bigger number has what? Plus sign. So plus I am writing here. Plus sign. Okay, so in this addition and subtraction of integer, the most important thing is what? You have to remember this. Plus into plus will become plus. How we are doing the addition and subtraction of integers? By multiplication of the signs. Okay, by multiplications of the signs, we will get to know whether the numbers need to be added or the numbers need to be subtracted. Got it? Only the multiplications of the signs, not the number. Remember that. So plus into plus equals to what? Plus. Then minus into minus equals to plus. Plus into minus equals to minus. Minus into plus equals to minus. Easiest way to remember. two same sign will have plus. See, these two have two same sign, both have same sign, plus plus minus minus. So two same sign will have plus, and two different sign. See, both plus minus minus plus, two different sign will give the output as minus. Got it? Now see, this you have done in your lower classes, like we want this number 3, so how we will get this number? By adding or subtracting. But here we have to add or subtract. See, here you can see integers are there. Integers means it includes minus, negative numbers also. So here you have to think a bit. So see, 4 is given, this brackets, this red marked bracket is what? This you have to fill it. Now, for example, this I have taken this from your textbook. See, 4 minus, you want to get the answer as 3. So 4 minus how much is 3? 7 plus how much is 3? 9 minus how much? 3. So in this way you have to solve it. Now how to get 3? See, 4 is given. 4 minus how much? 4 minus, if we take positive number, no sign means what? Positive number. So 4 minus 1, we get 3. And the bigger number is what? 4. So 4 has which sign? Positive. So it gets into this. So plus 3 we want. Plus 3 we are getting from solving this equation. Solving this. Now what? 7 plus how much is 3? As we want, see, if we take a bigger 7 plus how much is 3? If we take a positive number here, then what we will get? If we take a positive number here, then the two numbers will get add and we get a bigger one. So we want a negative number in this place. So 7 plus minus 4. So plus minus, as you know now, plus minus becomes minus. So 7 minus 4 is what? 3. And bigger number is what? Amongst this bigger number is 7. 7 has positive sign. So you are getting the answer as plus 3. Now see, 9 minus how much is 3? This is simple. 9 minus how much? Positive number we can take directly, because 9 minus positive number will give 3. 9 minus 6 is what? 9 minus 6 is 3. And the sign, which sign we will get? 9 has which sign? Plus. See, 7, this plus minus minus. So 7 minus 4 is what? 3. And the bigger one is what? 7 has positive sign. So here we are getting positive only. Similarly, 9 minus 6, if we are taking, 9 minus 6 is what? 3. Bigger number is what? 9. 9 has which sign? Positive. So no sign means positive. Here no sign means positive. Okay? Positive. We want plus 3. Here also we are getting it plus 3. See, now minus 8 is given. Minus 8 plus how much number we will get as plus 3. Minus 8, if we take, see, minus 8 plus 11. Now if we take, see, minus 8 plus 11. So how much? Minus plus is what? Minus. So 11 minus 8 is what? 3. And bigger number is what? 11. 11 has which sign? Positive sign. So we are getting as plus. Now see this one. Minus 5 minus how much we will get as 3. So if we take your positive number, then what it becomes? Minus minus plus. It will become plus. So 5 plus something, then it will become higher than 3. So we will take here as negative number. So minus 8 I have taken. Minus 8. Minus into minus is what? Plus. See, minus 5 minus into minus minus into minus is what? Plus 8. Minus plus becomes minus. That table, that note which I have given, that you have to remember. Minus plus minus. So 8 minus 5 becomes 3. And bigger number is what? 8. So 8 has which sign? Positive. So 3 we are getting. Similarly this. Minus 6 plus which number? If we take here minus 6 plus if we take minus 6 plus positive number, if we take 3, then what happens? Minus plus minus, then 6 minus 3, we will get 3. But what will be the case? We will from minus 6 plus 3, if we take, see, if I take here minus 6 and plus 3, see what will happen? Minus plus minus. Okay, so 6 minus 3 is 3. Here we are getting 3, but what we want, plus, no sign was there, means plus, so we want plus 3. So we are getting what? Minus plus minus. So 6 minus 3 is 3, but sign, how we get sign? How we give the sign to the answer? By looking at the bigger number. Bigger number is what? 6, and 6 has minus sign, so it will become minus 3. So we can't take 3 in the positive number, 3 in the bracket, so this will be wrong. Okay, now if I take 9, for example 9 I have taken, we want a number bigger than 6. Okay, so that the subtraction should be 3. So 9 minus 6, you know that 3, positive number, so I have taken 9 here. So minus plus minus, see, minus 6 plus 9, so minus plus is what? Minus plus minus, so 9 minus 6 is 3. Now sign, which sign we will get? We will give this to the answer, plus. Why? Because from this two numbers 6 and 9, which one is bigger? 9. The number 9 is bigger, and 9 has positive sign, so we are giving plus. Got it? In this manner, this thing is little bit of confusing, but you have to do while practicing only. You can do this plus minus and all that. So this note, you have to remember this note. Okay, then only you can do addition, subtraction, or multiplication, division of integers. For integers, that we should know. Now see, this case is what? Addition or subtraction of integers. Now see, now if we have to multiply the integer, what we are doing here is what? See, the two numbers we are adding or subtracting. Here what we have done? Adding or subtracting the integer, adding or subtracting the numbers. Here we will do multiplication of integer, means integers. Now you know that integers includes positive as well as negative number along with 0. So see, in this case also you have to remember that positive number into positive number will give me positive number. Positive number into negative number will give me negative number. Negative number into positive number will give me negative number. Positive number into negative number will give me what? Positive number. Now this statement we will see in numbers. See, positive number into positive number, so answer should be positive number. See, positive number 6, here first one example, second one example, third example, and fourth. See, positive number I have taken 6, positive into what? Positive number. So 6 into 12, 6 into 12, answer 6 into 2, 6 into 2 is how much? 12. Now sign here in multiplication of integer, sign is decided by what? This multiplication of the two sign. Here we are giving sign to the answer. See, sign of the answer is dependent on what? The bigger number. Here the sign, main sign of the answer depends on multiplication of these two signs. So plus into plus is plus. Now if we take plus 6, see, positive number into negative number. So 6 into 2 is how much? 12. That multiplication will not change, only the sign will change. See, number, only the sign will change. So 6 into 2 is 12, and plus into minus is what? Plus into minus will give me minus sign. So minus sign, minus 12. Similarly,